Hello everyone, I am Madhumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Data Analytics. Today I am going to talk about Apache Sqoop. Introduction. Apache Sqoop is a specialized tool that facilitates seamless data transfer between HDFS and various structured data repositories. These repositories could include relational databases, enterprises, data, warehouses, and NoSQL system. Sqoop operates through a connector architecture which employs plugin to enhance data connection with external system, ensuring efficient data migration. Apache Sqoop is a part of the Hadoop ecosystem. Since a lot of the data had to be transferred from relational database system onto Hadoop, there was a need for a dedicated tool to do this task first. This is where Apache Sqoop came into the picture, which is now extensively used for transferring data from RDBMS files to the Hadoop ecosystem for map reduce processing and so on. Data has to have consistency. It should be prepared for provisioning the downstream pipeline, and the users should ensure the consumption of production system resources. Among other things, the MapReduce application is not able to directly access the data that is residing in external relational database. This method can expose the system to the risk of too much load generation from the cluster nodes. Sqoop. The Sqoop tool can help import the structured data from relational databases, NoSQL system, and even from enterprises data warehouses. This tool makes it easy to import data from external system to HDFS. This way it is possible to populate the table in Hive and HBase. You can write Sqoop jobs using Sqoop scripts. Integrating Sqoop with OZ allows for the scheduling and automating of important and export tasks. The Sqoop architecture is a connector based architecture that can support plugins which provides connectivity to new external sources. You can consider this blog as a user guide for working with Apache Sqoop. When it comes to importing data with Apache Sqoop, it is done in two steps. First, the database is used to gather the necessary metadata for the data to be imported. In the second step, it is a map only Hadoop job that Sqoop submits to the cluster. In this job, the actual data is transferred using the metadata that is captured based on the table being imported. The data is saved in directory in HDFS. While you are importing data, you can create and load the partition or table. For invoking the needed command with metadata, you can populate the Hive metastore. You can populate a particular column family with HBase table. You can export data from Hadoop into external databases. Sqoop import. This is the process in which individual tables are imported from the relational database to Hadoop distributed file system. Conclusion. Sqoop lets you automate the process and depend on the database it is used to describe the schema of the data to be imported. Sqoop works on the map reducing framework for importing and exporting data, providing a parallel fault tolerant mechanism. Thank you.